Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is BB Style and my name is Christian. And today I am back with another video. And as you know, my channel is about haul videos, luxury hauls, and styling videos. And if you like that type of content, hit that bell button and come follow me over on Instagram. Oh, yeah. Well, anyway, this video is going to be a luxury haul video. I went shopping a couple of months ago, and I went to Saks Outlet, and I went to the Saks department store, and I was looking for some good deals. And so I picked up something from Saks. Comment below and let me know what you all think as well. So let's get started. So the first thing I picked up was Valentino, and let me do the unboxing. Just to mention, I picked up something that was Gucci a couple of months ago, last year, and I have given those to my daughter. But anyway, let's do this unboxing on this Valentino and what I picked up. So, as you can see here, you have dust bags as well. And what I picked up was another pair of tennis shoes, and I picked up these Valentinos right here. What the thing was that I was looking at these Valentino tennis shoes, and they have them in black and white as well, and these are the white and gray silver, not silver, gold metallic tennis shoe. And they're really, really comfortable. And they have the Valentino symbol here. They have the Valentino in the inside of the shoe. And they have the Valentino symbol on the side. And they're really, really comfortable. And I want to pick up some really, really nice designer tennis shoes to wear for the summer. And these tennis shoes ran really high, about $800. And I got them for a very, very good price as well, and they're very, very comfortable. And when I do look for shoes, designer shoes, and when I went in there, I seen some, just to mention, I think I will be going back because I did see some Versace tennis shoes that were really, really nice. And they were running $1,500, and the original price on those tennis shoes, those Versace tennis shoes, were like $3,000. So I'm keeping my eye out for those, but I'm really, really grateful for these Valentino tennis shoes here that I will be wearing for the spring and summer, and hopefully I will get to style these for you all out there as well. So comment below on these Valentino tennis shoes as well. I just want to be comfortable for the summer with my tennis shoes. Alright, so let's see what else I picked up as well. And I'm very, very happy and grateful for these Valentinos. So the next thing I picked up from Saks Outlet, and I was in the store a couple of months ago, and as you know, I love to wear Alice and Olivia pieces, and they have some wonderful, wonderful designer pieces as well. I went in the store, and I had my eye on this Alice and Olivia piece here that I'm going to show you all, and it was real, real high. It was a very expensive piece at that time, and I came back and kept looking, and here we go. So it is this beautiful, beautiful Taylor, I think it's Taylor embroidery dress here. And it does come with a jacket, as you can see in the picture, as well. And it is just so, so gorgeous. The details on it are very, very beautiful. It has some metallic in it as well, and silver metallic, and beautiful prints as well on this dress. And it is a back out dress as well, with some spaghetti scraps on this dress as well. And I am looking to purchase the jacket to this dress as well. This will be a beautiful dress to wear to a beautiful party, cocktail party, event. It just won't go out of style at all. This dress will be in my closet for a very, very long time. It reminds me of my Alice and Olivia coat that I have, that I posted over on Instagram, and that coat cost me quite a lot as well. And it is just so pretty. And once I get my hands on the jacket, I will be so, so happy as well, and very grateful if I can get the jacket to this beautiful dress. And hopefully I can style it for you all as well. And it is just so, so pretty, and it's real, real heavy, and it's really made well. And as you've seen in the pictures, this is a beautiful, beautiful dress. And that's what I picked up. I also just want to mention, comment below on this Alice and Olivia dress. And I also want to let you all know that I do have some wonderful content coming as well. And I have a drip haul video coming as well. And I also have some of you guys out there, subscribers request videos coming out as well. And so I'm trying to get that done because as well I've been busy. But anyway, that is it. Look forward to another video. Comment below on this beautiful Alice and Olivia dress, as I mentioned, and my new Valentino tennis shoes as well. And hopefully I'll get those Versace's too. So, but anyway, I'm really, really grateful. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And everyone, have a wonderful day as well as a wonderful week. And I'll see you all in the next video.